Hi, it's Chester Tupwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training. In this video, we're going to look at the VBA code needed to filter with all criteria within an Excel table. Now, I have started the code for you. I've declared a couple of variables just to simplify our filtering code. The first one declares a variable for the active worksheet, and the second declares a variable as a list object for table that we're going to be filtering in. So our table is called transactions, so you can refer to that with the list objects collection. Okay, so now to do the filtering, we could use our list object, and you refer to its range property and then to its AutoFilter method. Now, the AutoFilter method has a number of parameters, the first of which is the field parameter. Now, that's asking for the position of the field that you want to filter on. So we are going to filter on the payment type column, and that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column. So we'll put in 6 as our field position. The next parameter we're going to use is the criteria parameter, criteria 1 parameter. This will be your first criterion, and we're going to say that that's cash. Now, if I was to filter using this macro, you would see that it would just show cash payments within my table. But I can use another criteria. I can specify another criteria. To do that, I have to use the operator parameter and specify, in this instance, that I'm performing an OR criteria. I'm going to say cash or credit card, so both records are going to show. Now, to get to that, I can just say Excel, not and, but Excel OR. You can see that in the IntelliSense list, Excel OR. Then I can use the criteria 2 parameter to specify my second criteria, which will be credit card. So I'm going to clear this filter so you can see what's going to happen. And I'm going to run this, and now it shows cash or credit card transactions. Now, if you want to specify more than 2 criteria on a specific field, this is what you need to do. We're going to get rid of, for the moment, the operator and the criteria parameters, and we're just going to use criteria 1. Now, actually, what we're going to do is we're going to do a filter on the store ID column. Now, the position of that column is 4, so let's change our field to 4. And what we're going to do in criteria 1 is express an array of criteria. So I'm going to say we want to show store 2, or store 10, or store 20, or store 35. Now, if we're using that array method, our operator parameter needs to specify Excel filter values. Excel filter values. Right, so if let's clear this filter and then run this. Hasn't quite worked, and that's because I haven't put a comma there. Right, so if I run this, you'll see now it's got the store 2, 20, 35, 10. Yeah, all the stores that I've specified there. Okay, so that's how you specify more than 2 criteria. Now, one last bit of code that may be quite useful to you is the ability to clear an autofilter. Now, I can do that with the table object within the list objects collection, and I refer to the AutoFilter property within that, and then all I do is I say show all data. That's the method to use, show all data. So if I just comment out that line of code and I run this, it will clear all the filters. Okay, that's all this video set out to do, to show you how to specify all criteria for filtering within an Excel table. Thanks very much for listening. It's been Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training.